Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to unbox and explore the AMIAMO Laptop. Packed with 16 GB RAM, 512 GB ROM, and the latest Windows 11. This device is designed to redefine your computing experience. Whether you're a student with demanding projects or a business professional on the go, this laptop has you covered. So, let's dive right in. Let's talk power. The AMIAMO Laptop is not just a device. It's a powerhouse. With a whopping 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB of ROM, this laptop ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage for all your files and applications. Whether you're editing documents, running complex software, or indulging in some light gaming after work, this laptop handles it all with ease. Get ready to feast your eyes on brilliance. The AMIAMO Laptop features a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display with 1080p IPS technology. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, editing photos, or working on detailed projects, every detail comes to life on this vibrant screen. It's not just a laptop. It's your window to a world of clarity and color. Say hello to the future of computing with Windows 11. The AMIAMO Laptop comes pre-installed with the latest Windows operating system, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. The redesigned Start menu, enhanced taskbar, and improved multitasking features make your workflow smoother than ever. Stay productive and organized with the power of Windows 11 at your fingertips. Now, let's take a peek under the hood. Powering the AMIAMO Laptop is the Intel Celeron N5095 Processor, ensuring efficient performance for your daily tasks. From quick startups to lag-free browsing, this processor enhances the overall speed and responsiveness of the laptop. Say goodbye to delays and hello to a more productive you. Stay connected effortlessly. The AMIAMO Laptop is equipped with USB 3.0 for faster data transfer and seamless connectivity with external devices. Plus, enjoy the flexibility of 2.4/5G Wi-Fi for a stable and speedy internet connection. Whether you're in a crowded coffee shop or your home office, this laptop ensures you stay connected without any hiccups. And there you have it, folks, the AMIAMO Laptop, your gateway to enhanced productivity. With its impressive specs, sleek design, and Windows 11 prowess, this laptop is a game-changer for students and business professionals alike. If you're ready to elevate your computing experience, check the links in the description to make the AMIAMO Laptop yours today. Thank you for joining us on this tech journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy computing!